In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva text-to-speech. If you've ever wanted to add clear, consistent narration to your videos or presentations without recording your own voice, this feature makes it simple. I'll walk you through the flow and share practical tips so your results sound natural and professional. First, open a video or presentation project in Canva. You can start a new one or open an existing design. For videos, you'll see the timeline at the bottom. This is where your generated voiceover will live, so it helps to know where you want narration to begin before you create the audio. Next, look at the left-hand side panel and click Apps. This opens Canva's library of integrations and tools. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel. It can be tucked beneath other sections depending on your screen size. In the search bar, type text-to-speech and select the tool you prefer. You can choose third-party apps like AI or avoov, or use Canva's native text-to-speech app. The native option is the quickest way to get started, while third-party apps may offer more voice variety. Either way, the workflow is very similar. Now type or paste your script into the text box. Keep it clean and conversational. Use punctuation to guide pauses, and consider breaking longer paragraphs into shorter lines, so the voice has room to breathe. Numbers and abbreviations are best written out when clarity matters. Configure the voice settings to match your content. Pick your language, then choose a voice style that fits your tone: friendly, professional, energetic, or calm. Adjust speed and pitch as needed. A moderate speed often sounds the most natural, and small pitch shifts can make the voice feel warmer or brighter. If you are unsure, preview different combinations for a quick comparison. If you are prompted to log in to the selected app, sign in to continue. Some tools require access to generate and return the audio to your design. When you are ready, click Generate Audio or Create Audio. After processing, click Add to Design. The audio track will appear on your timeline or page. Play it back to confirm the pacing and pronunciation. If a phrase doesn't sound right, tweak the text, adjust the speed or pitch, regenerate, and replace the clip. Small edits like adding a comma or changing a word choice can noticeably improve naturalness. That's it. Thanks for watching.